So hello friends, today I'm going to share with you how easy is this trick of masking video or any other visual behind your text. So this is the video which we will be using for masking behind task, which is really looking very beautiful, so let's start. First of all, add a new slide to your presentation, simple as that, and now just add a text box from the Insert tab and add your text. Done. Now you can adjust the size of your text according to your need. For this I am using this font named Uni Sans U. You can download all the stuff and template used in the video from the description. Align the text properly so that a finish and professional look is visible in your presentation. After setting up the text, add a rectangle shape from the Insert tab and ensure that your shape covers whole of your PPT background. Then simply select both the text as well as the shape. Now go to Shape Format tab and from the Merge Shape option, merge your shapes. You have to select the Combine option, and after merging the shapes you will get a new shape with transparent text. Make your shape outline as no outline and set the color to black. Then you have to copy your video and import it on your text slide. I see a copy from here, or you can just import your video from File Explorer by dragging and dropping your video. And now the most important part, you have to send your video to the back. Just right-click on the video and click Send to Back. After all this, go to the Playback tab after selecting the video and set the Start option to automatically, in the same way as I am doing. And that's all. You learned a new tutorial, and now don't get a rest. Start a new tutorial to embrace your talent.